Guys, I am finally getting the rod bearings done. You see it. I am at Charlie's, where he specializes in Bimmer. Pretty much anything German. But yeah, she's here getting her rod bearings done today. The rod bearings I went with was the VAC Motorsports rod bearings. I'll put the link in the description. So you guys, this is Charlie's shop. Master mechanic, everything foreign. You see it. Look who is back with rod bearings done. Thanks again, Charlie. You see it. You see it. Oh man. Yeah. See guys, I want to show you guys the old rod bearings. So these are the old rod bearings. I was able to get them from Charlie. Look at that. Yeah, they need to be done. By the way, you guys, these rod bearings were done under the recall. And, well, the car had like 80,000 miles when it was done. And now the car is at 188,000 miles. So, yeah. If you guys can see. Yeah. So they needed to be done. Coming through with another video too. So you guys, this is going to be part 2 update video of my E46 M3. As you guys know, I bought this awesome machinery for $7,000. I can't believe it till today. So I actually did the tail lights. They look like the updated OEM taillights. I got them off Amazon. Really great upgrade. They work very well. I was missing some trim pieces here from the last video. I was able to source them. Yeah, everything looks pretty straight and everything. Oh man, you guys, this has been, honestly, this is one of the most funnest car projects I think I've had in a good minute, you know, because I got in this M3 where it wasn't 100% bad, but it also wasn't 100% good. You know, it needed some work, and it still does need some work, which is fine because it's fixable. One of the biggest things that I want to do and get rid of is the hood. Me not like the hood. Everybody has their own preference on things. I don't like the hood at all. Please, if anybody has an OEM hood that they want to trade me or buy mine, please let me know. Also, I cannot sell the hood until I have an OEM hood. I actually just remembered I have some people that actually want to buy the hood, but I'm telling them no because I just don't have an OEM hood to replace it with. So I need to get the OEM hood first, and then I have no problem selling this GTS hood, okay? I don't like it. I could easily get it repainted, and it would probably look awesome, but I just don't want it. I like OEM. I've always been an OEM guy. So, need an OEM hood. Please message me, inbox me. Moving on. As you guys can see, I actually got OEM interior seats. You see it, you don't know. So I mean, they're not in perfect condition, okay? They have their little quirks, I guess, to them. But in my opinion, it's better than the other bucket seats that I had before. I honestly feel like those bucket seats did not give the car justice. I mean, again, I have a different approach on things when it comes to style. I like OEM. I don't like when things are aftermarket. But yeah, I mean, the seats are, I mean, they're not bad, you know. I traded with my homeboy. He saw my other YouTube video and was like, hey Austin, I'll trade you my original seats and I'll put some money on top for your seats. So of course I said yes. Money on top and I get original seats. It's a no-brainer. But honestly, you guys, I actually feel like I want to change the interior though. I've been looking at getting black interior, to be honest. Not that I don't like the Dove interior. I do like it to a point, but then it completely stops. So maybe in the next video you guys might see black interior. Who knows? But yeah, definitely want another hood, OEM hood. You guys are going to also be seeing probably yellow fog lights in the next update video. I don't have anything against the clear fog lights, but I just feel like it would look more dope with yellow fog lights. As you guys know, I just did the rod bearings. You know, I feel like the rod bearings were something that had to be done. Just to let you guys know, pretty much all three of the major stuff has already been done on the car, okay? I already got it checked by my mechanic. The Vanus has no issues, no codes, okay? Number one. Number two, the subframe was already been reinforced, okay? So we're good, number two. And number three was the rod bearings, which I just did. I went with VAC rod bearings, okay? I feel like they're the best rod bearings to get for these cars. They are pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The VAC Motorsports, let me show you. I actually have it, you guys, hold on. These are the rod bearings, okay? VAC Motorsport rod bearings. They are very expensive. These are literally the Rolls Royce of all rod bearings, in my opinion, for the money that I paid for them. I'll put the link in the description. But I went with these for the sole purpose that I wanted peace of mind, okay? Peace of mind that nothing will happen, you know? They are known for being very good, reliable. They actually last a lot longer than every other rod bearing out there. So these are designed for racing. As you guys know, I don't plan on racing the car, but the cool thing is that it can withstand a lot, okay? So I figured this is the only thing that could grenade my engine, so let me just get the correct things then. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much an update for you guys, to be honest. But yeah, everything's a work in progress with this, you know. And honestly, with all the projects that I've had up until this point, this might be the funnest, you know, because there's just so much great potential with this E46 M3, you know. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos and stay positive.